So this is a common question that comes up. Does shading affect the performance of solar? And the answer is yes, it does, but there are almost no houses that have no shading at all. So it's certainly not something to worry about. One of the benefits of the SolarEdge system is that it doesn't allow the shading to have any more effect than it needs to. So where there's one module that's shaded, that will reduce in output, but all of the other modules will still perform at their maximum. So in traditional string systems that don't use SolarEdge, shading can be quite a big problem because one tree or one chimney stack, which is shading one panel, actually brings down the performance of the whole system. So a benefit of SolarEdge is that it reduces the effect of shading. And when we give you the performance estimate, we'll have factored in the shading that we reasonably expect to happen. So if there's a large tree, we'll take that into consideration, include it in our model, and those energy output figures are already accounting for our estimate of the shading that's going to occur. It's definitely, once solar is installed, worthwhile keeping any trees which are going to shade it maintained and at a height which is minimizing the shading. And if you look on the app at the drawing of the panels, it'll tell you the output that they've achieved over the year. And then you can see if there is a measurable effect of your neighbour's tree or something like that. And then you can start to decide if it's worth taking action to get that little bit of extra energy.